A shower is a place in which a person bathes under a spray of typically warm or hot water. But shower heads can get clogged over time, thanks to minerals in the water and any grime that finds its way in. And a clogged shower is more than just an inconvenience. It can also harbor the growth of dangerous bacteria. These dangerous bacteria can be very harmful for your skin and even cause health issues. So, there are effective ways to unclog even the most chronically clogged shower heads. The baking soda will help lift off the majority of the lime scale, meaning that when you pop it into the water and vinegar mixture, there's no need to wait too long. First, remove the shower head and place it in deep bowl. Pour 30 ml of vinegar, add same amount of mouthwash, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and add 30 ml of concentrated acid. Now add water so shower head is completely drowned in water and leave it for 1 hour. The bubbles are coming out due to acid reaction. After 1 hour, brush it with any dishwashing liquid. Now place it back to its original position. The shower head will work like new. White vinegar has long been recognized as a natural and effective cleaning agent, particularly when it comes to tackling calcium deposits in and on shower heads. Take out the shower head from its original place. Now take a cup and place the shower head into the cup. Fill the cup with white vinegar so that the shower head is fully dissolves in it. After 30 minutes, take it out. The pores of the shower head is fully clean and it will work well. Detergents have strong cleaning capabilities. It is helpful in cleaning of clogged shower head. Take a bowl, add small amount of detergent in it. Now add water in it. Dissolve the shower head in it for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take it out and brush it with mixture. Now wrap it back to its original position. Your shower head will work better than before. Shower head cleaners are formulated to remove the bacteria from shower head and make it shiny in very less time. Wet and forget shower cleaner is helpful. It gently cleans buildup of soap scum, grime, and body oils in the bathroom shower. It is safe to use on most surfaces like glass, porcelain, tile and more. Instead of buying a shower head, you can make it new by follow these several methods. With the help of these effective ways, your shower head will be clean without any damage.